For today's video, ang ulam natin ay Lucky Me. Wala tayong naisip. Lucky Me na lang tayo, guys. Peace out. The next one is tuyo. Pwede tayo ng kawali. Yan. Saan yung camera? Oil. And when the mantika is hot already, put the toyo.
Mantika na ito magsawag-sawag ka.
Put the toyo. Ay, wala pa lang mag-video. Kasi mainit, baka matalsikan tayo. Sorry na, magulo ang camera angle natin. Yan. Put the toyo until golden brown. We don't want it to be burned, so we are going to turn it upside down. Yan. Uy, sarap niyan. Talaga lang. Then turn the para maging crispy siya. So ayan na, plating na tayo. Plating, tuyo, and Lucky Me pang suka, saka tirang ice.